Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to explain Meenal Bearings Quarter 1 Financial 22 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss year on year and quarter results, but will give more importance for year on year results. Here amount in lakhs. First one is net sales or income from operations. Last is June quarter. Net sales are 21.2 crores. This June quarter 46.2 crores. Here approximately 25 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 117 percentage revenue was increased year on year. This is very good figure. Later other income. Previous year 59 lakhs, now 82 lakhs. So here only less amount was increased. We'll ignore this one. Later cost of material consumed. Previous year 5.5 crores, now 19.5 crores. Here approximately 14 crores was increased. Later, change in inventories. Previous year 55 lakhs spent, now 74 lakhs credited. Later, employee benefit expenses. So previous year 4.6 crores, now 7.1 crore. Here approximately 2.4 crores was increased. We need to find the reason that employee benefit expenses increase for employee salaries or management salaries. Later, finance cost. Previous year 94 lakhs, now 74 lakhs. Here 20 lakhs interest was decreased, and also here they are paying very less interest. That means this company have less debt. That is positive sign. Later depreciation. Previous year 1.8 crores, now 1.8 crores. Here only less amount was increased. We'll ignore this one. Later operating expenses. Previous year 3.7 crores, now 7.5 crores. Here approximately 3 crores was increased. Later other expenses. Previous year 1.8 crores, now 2.5 crores. Here approximately 80 lakhs was increased. Later profit before tax. Previous year 2.7 crores, now 8.45 crores. Here approximately 6 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 206 percentage year on year profit before tax was increased. This is positive side. Later income tax. Previous year 63 lakhs, now 1.8 crore. Here income tax was increased. Later net profit. Previous year 2.1 crore, now 6.5 crores. Here approximately 4.5 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 209 percentage profit after tax increase year on year. This is very good figure. Now check earning per share. Go down. Here paid up equity share capital. Previous year 5.6 crores, now 5.6 crores. Here equity was not diluted. This is positive sign. This is positive sign. Later earning per share basic. Previous year 0.38 rupees, now 1.17 rupees. Here approximately 70 paise was increased. This is positive sign. Now check quarter on quarter results. We'll compare March quarter results with June quarter. Here, previous quarter 46.5 crores, now 46.2 crores. Here, little bit decrease. We'll check it in percentage. Here, 0.6 percentage decrease quarter on quarter. Later, profit before tax. Previous quarter 8.3 crores, now 8.4 crores. Here, 10 lakhs was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 1.6 percentage profit before tax increase. Later net profit. Previous quarter 6.4 crores, now 6.5 crores. Here 10 lakhs was increased. We'll check it in percentage. 1.9 percentage profit was increased quarter on quarter. What we understood based on year and quarter results. Meenal Bearings year on year results are excellent, but quarter on quarter results are flat. But we'll give more importance for year on year results. So Meenal Bearings year on year results are excellent. Now I'll check few more points. Go down. Here few important points are there. One is, in spite of slow pickup in CV segment, The company has been able to achieve its sales target with addition of new customers like Japanese OEM, Mayakwa, etc. Exports to USA, Africa, also due to large base of customers. Exports during the quarter increased by 43% for corresponding quarter of the last year. This is positive side. Later, in addition to existing exports, Indian tractor and agricultural market as and when commercial vehicle OEMs pick up, all segments such as brakes, transmission, etc., which are showing signs of improvement, MBL is ready to meet the demand with the existing installed capacity. This is positive side. Later, from the existing capacity of 4 million pieces per month, the company plans to add another 1 million pieces per month. Considering the new business in pipeline, the capital expenditure envisaged for the same is to tune of 10 to 12 crores. This is positive side. The company is investing in new technologies like PTFE, that is polytetrafluoroethylene, coating for critical parts, which will cater to new segments and business for non-engine parts. This is positive side. Now check valuation. Current price of Minan Bearings is 84.3 rupees. Minan Bearings results came at market hours, so it was increased 0.5 percentage. Now check dividend. Here go to corporate actions. In 2018, they gave 1.75 rupees. Later, in 2019, 1.25 rupees. Here, dividend was decreased 50 paise. Later, 1.25 rupees in 2020. Later, in 21, 1.5 rupees. So here, 1.75. Later, decreased to 1.25. Later, constant to 1.25. Later, increased to 1.5. Here, they are giving dividends continuously. This is partial sign. Market cap of Minan Bearings is 471 crores. That means Minan Bearings is small cap company. We need to remember that point. ROC is 22.4 percentage. ROE is 20.1 percentage. Here ROCE and ROE is greater than 20 percentage. That is positive point. Later debt to equity is 0.3. But the reducing debt, that is positive point. Later promoter holding is 71.2 percentage. Here promoters contains high promoter holding. From this 71.2 percentage, 9.5 percentage was pledged. So we need to remember this point. Later, free cash flow for 10 years is 59 crores. This is good sign. Later, price to sales is 3.15. That means to generate 1 rupee sales, we are spending 3.15 rupees. So this is reasonable price to sales. Now we'll check last 1 year price chart and results. Here we have 1 year price chart. Before 1 year, price is 38 rupees. Current price is 83 rupees. It was increased from 38 to 85 means. So it was double. This is positive sign. Now we need to check the results for 1 year. In June quarter, sales was decreased 47%. In last year June quarter, due to lockdowns, so their business was affected. So here sales are decreased and also profits also decreased. Later in September quarter, sales increased 9.2%, profits increased 54%. Later in December quarter, sales increased 37%, and here profits increased 80%. In March quarter, sales increased 53% and profits increased 95%. In current June quarter, sales increased 117% and profits increased 209%. If we compare results with price chart, in June quarter they didn't get the good results. For that purpose, here if you see this price 38 rupees in July 22 up to October same price. Afterwards, in September, December, March quarter they got good results. Due to that one, price was increased from 40 rupees to 80 rupees. Current June quarter results also are good. So we'll check the price of Minan Bearings after 3 months. Here price was increased from 38 rupees to 80 rupees in 1 year. Now we'll check 10-year price. Click on all. If you see this price, In 2010, price is 7 rupees. Then it was increased from 7 rupees to 114 rupees in 2018. Later, from 2018 onwards, the price was decreased from 114 rupees to 30 rupees. Here, we need to check why price was decreased. Here, Jan 2018 means this is financial year 19. Now check the results of 19 and 20. Go down. In 2019, here profits is 25 crores. In 2020, profits are 14 crores. Here profits decreased from 25 crores to 14 crores. Here 50% profits decrease. Due to low profits, here price was decreased from 114 rupees to 30 rupees. Here price was decreased very high. We'll see other profits also. From 2011 onwards, here 6.3 crores, 7 crores, later decreased to 3.7 crores. Here in 2013, here profits decreased, later increased, increase, then later in all the years increased. Later in 2020, here profits decreased. In 10 years duration, in 2013 and 2020, profits decreased. But here price was affected very high, but profits affected only very low. Here is the good time to add Menon bearings. Now we'll check PE of Menon bearings. PE before result is 25. PE after result is 20. Menon bearings got very good results. Due to that one, PE was reduced from 25 to 20. Here 5 points decrease. This is positive sign. Now we'll compare current PE with 3 years and 5 years median PE. Current PE is 20. 3 years median PE is 18. 5 years median PE is 21. 8 years is 19. Current PE is near to 3 years and 5 years median PE. That means currently Menon bearings is reasonable valuation or undervalued in the current overvalued market. Conclusion is, first one, pros. Year on year results are excellent. Reasonable or undervalued based on 3 years median PE. Risk is small cap company. Price increased from 38 rupees to 84 rupees in 1 year. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.